Most people buy their birdseed, but not me. I have a novel way of getting birdseed. This is Bill at Highland Hill Farm in Fountainville, PA, and I have a hunter access program whereby hunters bring me birdseed to go hunting for the day, and that's how I got this bag of birdseed.
Birds are an important asset on our farm, so we like lots of birds, and also hunters bring us bird boxes which we put up. Hunters also help us control our deer population, which brings us Lyme ticks. So it all works together in the end and is part of what we call our biosecurity program here at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville. We grow lots of arborvitaes, pine trees, and plenty of different kinds of shrubs for your landscape. You can call us at 215-651-8329 for your landscape trees and shrubs at Highland Hill Farm.